Yes. I'm Dr. Sandeep. Welcome to Marmaveda Chiropractic. Today our guest is ANJ.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yes, nice to meet you. Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Libya. I just arrived 1 week ago.
Okay. How you know about Marmaveda Chiropractic?
Frankly speaking, it was through Google search.
Yes.
And I liked the profile. I went through multiple review on on your website, and I found that you are the most certified and most expert and reliable chiropractor.
Okay. What complaint you had in the past few years?
Over the last 10 years, I was suffering from chronic low back pain with some radiculopathy.
Okay.
I did MRI and it showed lumbosacral disc prolapse between L5S1.
Okay.
And I was suffering the whole 10 years from that. It was never improved.
Last few years back, you tried some treatment for that?
I tried some physiotherapy and hydrotherapy plus analgesic tablets, but it was helpless, unfortunately.
Okay. You know that our approach is a global, like that. In Indian, we use some Ayurveda and Marma, our Asian technique with chiropractic, that give beautiful result. You had 2 sessions last week, and after that I'm going outside for a
yes, that's right.
conference.
Yes, that's right.
I'm here now today.
Yes.
And we go for a few sessions for next days. We arrange accordingly. And
after 2 sessions, I believe more than 75% of my complaints has resolved.
Okay, that's a great one.
Which is, I believe, due to the exercise that you showed and the sessions that we practiced over 2 times.
Okay. Now we start with chiropractic. After that, we give some distraction, flexion distraction technique. It is a type of spine traction.
Yes.
We do that treatment after that.
Okay.
And after some physiotherapy machines apply.
Okay.
After that, we use some marma therapy, marma balance treatment, marma chiropractic and Ayurveda treatment.
Okay.
And you come for up to 4 to 5 days.
Yes, I can do that because I will be traveling back after 2 weeks. Yes.
Okay. You have a nice stay at Nasik.
Yes, it was a really nice city, very fantastic city.
Yes. Yes. So now we start the session.
Yes, please.
Yes. Okay. Focus on breathe, sir. Big out. Perfect. Perfect.
Yes, very nice. Good one.
Yeah. Relax. Perfect.
Yes. Very relaxing, yes.
Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. That's very good. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Going deep.
Was that?
Graded trochanter technique. It is a structural integration. You take a long breath. That breath reach here. You imagine that. Focus. It gives great relaxation. Great one. left having short length, okay, and at the level of heel. This is short because this hip is more posterior, so this leg having short leg length, okay.
Yes.
We manipulate here first.
Yes.
We go here. Lower back. Breathe out. Breathe in. Relax. Oh, perfect. Are you okay?
Very okay. Yes.
Here, 4 and 5, you will stuck. There, come back. Breathe, breathe out. Lose your body. Oh, perfect. Relax. Breathe out. Breathe out.
Thank you indeed. My left elbow hurts a little bit. Elbow from here.
Pain?
Yeah, a little bit.
We see that. Relax. We release diaphragm. Breathe in. Breathe out. Strong breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Strong breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Strongly breathe in. Slowly breathe out. One more strongly breathe in. One more strongly. Yes, relax. Very strongly. And release. This is the instant reflex. Nice. We add some Marma technique now. This is the Ayurveda techniques. This compression and shoulder. Go.
I feel a bit pain here at the
Okay.
quadriceps insertion.
Okay. Okay. Go on.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes.
You relax that. Now. Relax. Yeah. You feel now good?
Yeah, stretching, yes.
This relax, relax. Breathe out. Slowly breathe out. Then relax. Lie down on. This is good practices for you. Make a distraction of ribs. Very stiff back.
Very stiff, yes.
Continuous working is there.
Continuous walking, yes.
That's you are suffering. That's why you are suffering.
I'm not having time to exercise.
Okay.
Maybe by difficulty 2 times a week, maybe with extreme difficulty.
Okay. But you take time for you. Some time for you.
Yes,
That
going
is
back,
better.
I will definitely give 50% of my time to my body. Yes,
But health is more important than money.
yes, true.
You have good physique. Only you do some exercises regular basis.
Yes, true. Yes, yes.
Perfect.
This is the best.
Best. Now we roll this in. Oh. And focus. Breathe in. Breathe out. Oh. Oh. Upside back, upper back. Okay. Relax. Now. Relax. Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Very good. Yes.
Inhale, lift your hips up. You have to lift your hips up as high as possible. Lift it up, and exhale down. Take it down. Inhale up. Can you feel your back resting on the bed?
Yes, I can.
Yep. Come up. Exhale down.
Like this.
Yes. Now grab your left thigh with your both the hands and bring your both the knees closer to your chest and stay there. That's all. Can you feel the stretch on your quadriceps?
On
Yes.
the right side, yes.
That's normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly take it down. Hold your both legs from knees. Now bend your both the knees towards your left side. Okay? No worries, you won't fold. Don't fall the table. 5, can you feel the twisting on your back?
Yes, so
5,
nice, yes.
normal breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up and stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Today we have Izzadin with us from Libya. I would like to ask you, Izzadin, how was your experience at Marmaveda Chiropractic?
Frankly, it was a very unique experience. It was a really nice experience on my personal level. I got a lot of benefit. I got a lot of knowledge how to take care of my spine and what to do, what not to do in cases of I get acute pain. And Dr. Sandeep himself and the rest of his team, they did very marvelous, fantastic exercises to me, including the chiropractic, and I felt a lot of improvement. From the previous 2 sessions, I can say more than 75% of my pain has improved a lot. Hopefully it will resolve soon.
Yes, 100%. It will resolve soon. And
sure.
Other than that, how you got to know about this place, Marmaveda?
Frankly speaking, it was a search through Google. I found out that Dr. Sandeep is one of the best, one of the most professional, and one of the licensed chiropractor and physiotherapist in Nasik.
Yep.
I asked a few people around me, and some of them they have visited the center before, and they recommended me highly here.
Cool. Thank you so much.
You too. Thank you very much for your performance. Thank you very much for your help here.
Hope to see you soon. Welcome to India again.
Thanks a lot.
And take care. Thank you.
Thank you.